Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in for more information on this beautiful rose display. Now this is a 100% real rose. Now we all love getting flowers, but the only bad thing about getting actual flowers is they only last 7 to 10 days if you take immaculate care of them. But like I said, this is a real rose and it's been treated. If you take proper care of it, this thing is going to last up to 5 years in its case. 5 years. So instead of your 7 to 10 days with a real rose, you can get 5 years out of this guy. That is crazy. So he's gonna come in a solid wood base, glass covering, and this is just gonna slip right off here. And then there's your real rose. Like I said, he's been pre-treated. It's all safe, all organic, and he's gonna last up to 5 years. Now it's lit around the bottom. I'm gonna set him down over here where I'm going to proudly display him and show you what he looks like all lit up. All you're gonna do is flip the switch to on and he's gonna light up. I'll dim the lights and everything and show you how bright this really does light up so you can see all the details on the flowers. But for now, let's set him back over here. I'll give you a good zoom in view of all the detailed etching on this glass and this beautiful flower. Okay guys, so here he is on display all lit up. And like I said, they have replaced the water in the flower with a non-volatile organic solution, so he's not going to wilt, he's not going to lose his color. He's going to look like this for 5 years, which is crazy cool. And I want to give you a zoom in of the etched top here. Everything on this, all the detail has been thought out. So he's got his little light ring at the bottom there. These petals are placed in, so they're not going to move. If you do want to move this display around, you get tired of looking at it in one area, this is all set up. It's not going to move. Look at the detail and the vibrance in that color. All the way down to the woven intricate petals, all the way to the inside. You can see his thorns, all of his little petals, and your nice wooden base there. He's just beautiful. Put his case back on him. And I'm going to give you a quick view without the light, and then we're going to take him in the dark so I can show you how beautiful it's going to look at night. Here he is without his lights on. This is going to take 3 AAA batteries, not included, so that is the only thing you will have to grab. But considering it comes with everything else thought of, that is not a bad trade. Here we are in the dark with this piece, and you can see it cast a beautiful shadow up. You can even use it in lieu of a candle, maybe a romantic night. It's just a beautiful, exquisite piece.